Originally, when I got on the bench, myself and a colleague of mine went over to Laredo, and we witnessed courts and schools by a judge there, a district judge, and we thought it would be a great idea to bring it to Hidalgo County. My colleague, Judge Vasquez, he handles adult cases in district courts. I handle all juvenile cases. So he started about a couple of years ago bringing courts in schools to Hidalgo County. What we did today is a little different. I'm doing the same, bringing my courtroom into Edinburg North High School here in Edinburg, Texas, where I was born and raised, and actually presenting real cases, real juvenile cases that we see on a daily basis. The only hitch is that they are mock students. They are not the real, due to privacy, due to the sensitivity of the cases, they are not the actual defendants, but they are drama students that we are utilizing from the different high schools here at ECISD.
I think that it is very important for our students to understand what the legal system entails. A lot of times they come in and we kind of tell them, but sometimes they learn a lot more when they actually see what's going on. So the court in schools is going to show our students the realization of what it is when they have to go into a courtroom.
A lot of individuals, children, don't think that by committing criminal offenses that they're going to get into trouble. They don't think that they're going to be treated as adults. And unfortunately, when you break a law from the age of 10 to 16, you will be detained. You will be brought before a court. You will be magistrated. Your case will be filed at the DA's office, and you will proceed with a criminal-like proceedings in my courtroom.
One of the key things, like I said, the cases like they're dealing with vaping. If it's a THC vape pen, then the THC is a state jail felony. So the students need to understand that. They need to understand that if they get caught with that on campus, not only is a mandatory placement, but there's a possibility of them to get charges placed on them. And like we explained to the kids, if you're a senior coming out, you don't want to have your livelihood or your adulthood going in there with a state jail felony already on your record.
Being in those shoes, and just like honestly being in those shoes right now, it was honestly emotional, because like you don't know what to do. You just like at that point you're at like a low. Don't get caught with like vapes, drugs, like that's a given, yes, but like it's very serious.
I thought they were interesting. I never knew like what actually happened with these people. I was surprised of some of the cases and what they have done. I'm like shocked that some people can serve so much time for something they were just like bystanders to. Like one of the guys, he was just there, and then it all went south real quick, and he could face so much time for that. It's really gonna open my eyes to do better, make better choices, and watch what I do and where I'm at and what I'm doing.
If this is one of the ways I can help young individuals understand that one dumb mistake can change their life, and to make better choices, and even when they do a dumb mistake, that there are people who want to help and give them second chances, but that second chance will mean them changing their life to do better.